And then you get to the lowest level of your home. We're talking about perhaps a closet or a bathroom without a window.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you keep an eye on the weather. As you can see, it's very active on the news.
St. Joseph County, because he's moving off the northeast at around 25 miles per hour. So it's likely
weather radio has been going off. And it looks like to me there's a hook echo there, a beaver tail forming like a tornado. This thing has been on for the past 40 minutes. So we do have some more storms around us.
This storm's early today. They're moving 45 miles per hour. This storm's moving a little bit slower. Okay. So I just want to update the speeds on our tracks so we get a more accurate track. Here's the very latest forecast track, Abby, if you wouldn't mind just during this time.
Nope, absolutely. So Mendon at 5:45, Fairfax at 5:52, and then Colon, Michigan at 5:56. I mean, this storm has enough strength, and the rotation, and it literally was from moving due north as a severe thunderstorm warning to east. So it turned, the entire thing turned, and within that turn came that rotation, and then the couplet got tighter, the greens with the reds got closer and closer, and then we started seeing those wind speeds increasing. We have the yellow, those are stronger winds. The brighter greens, those are gustier winds as well, and that is all just a huge indication, again, just like the National Weather Service is showing, that we do have a tornadic activity, at least radar indicated. Anything about this storm with anything on the ground confirmed, James?
Nothing as of right now. Still, in fact, we just got an update from the National Weather Service at 5:45. So I'm just going to read the new warning or the updated warning live on air.
Okay.
Tornado warning continues for St. Joseph County, Michigan until 6:30 this evening. So we actually extended it in time, I believe. And now we are seeing potential for hail up to 2 inches in size. This storm was capable of producing a tornado near Centerville or near Three Rivers, moving east at 25 miles per hour. So once again, we've been talking about how this storm is making that right-hand turn, and we do believe that's probably going to be its track for the next couple of minutes.
All right, there goes the weather radio.
Was that orange polygon?
Ooh, it's all lit up red. All right, so I'm over there by South Bend. This is heading towards me, supposedly. And the sun did come out for a few minutes. It was a little bit cloudy today. Then it got cloudy, and then it rained early this morning. But the sun came out, and I imagine that's what's fueling it, because it is pretty humid out. 73 here. The weather radio is going. As you can see, there's that hook echo there.
Magentas. Right. That's where that 2-inch sized hail is. Now, just south of that, near Centerville as well as Nottawa, that's where there is the hook with the thunderstorm. And that's where, if there was a tornado on the ground, which we do not know as of right now, because this is still a radar indicated tornado warning, that's where it would potentially be.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So, yeah, and I mean, these storms, Cass counties, I think it was just a little bit larger. It happened much faster. It gained much more momentum. Well, now the National Weather Service is like, yes, we see the hook. We have this warn for a tornado. We see it moving east.
Let me see what the weather radio
to the north
saying.
of it.
Weather radio's going off. Hold on a minute. Hey, here comes the sun. That's probably going to fuel more storms. Okay, it's a tornado watch. Tornado watch going on right now. They're saying there's a tornado on the ground, though.
Michigan. But this storm is also capable of producing some very large hail. And
Yeah,
this
there's hail
thunderstorm
coming.
is throwing those hailstones thousands of feet in the air. So a very strong updraft associated with this storm. There's also the potential that a tornado could be forming as well. Within that severe thunderstorm warning, Abby, for northern St. Joseph County to southwest Michigan, the National Weather Service did add the damage threat to considerable. Now we are actually getting signs that.
James, 1 second, because we are getting pictures of hail. Do you have something extra to add, or should we show those?
We need to get back to the tornado warning because they just issued a PDS tornado warning, which means there's actually a tornado on the ground.
So
The damage threat is
Tornado
now
on the
considered
ground.
to be considerable. A confirmed large and dangerous tornado was located near Colon, or about 10 miles east of Three Rivers. So before we get to those pictures, what we need to do is we need to start dissecting this storm even more from a tornado standpoint.
okay, so it's moving east again, 25 miles an hour.
25 miles per hour off to the east.
So a tornado now, again, we saw this hook forming. This storm went from due north to made a right turn, and now it's going east. You can see right here that tight couplet, the green.
All right, I think we're in the clear for now. Of course, the sun, as you can see, it's coming through the window. That's probably going to warm things up and create more storms for tonight. I think they said we have storms tonight coming. So, folks, if you're up north here from me, not far at all from here, take cover and keep an eye on your local weather. I want to thank the great Debbie Fox for stopping in. And boy, the screen up there up north is just, I don't know, it's probably about half hour away, if that, maybe 40 minutes. All right, be safe. God bless.